The import regulations coming in the US soon might shut down a lot of online stores. If you want to keep your store running, you may want to hear about the potential solution I'll talk about later in this video. The US isn't the only market out there, but let's face it, over the past decade, the US was the main market all dropshippers were targeting and considering the most profitable. And I'm talking about dropshippers all around the globe here, not only the US citizens. With Trump pushing for a 60% tariff on Chinese imports, a lot of sellers are asking themselves, is this the end of dropshipping? One thing is certain, the US market depends on imports from China and isn't set up to replace that with local production anytime soon. So the big question is, how will importers adapt or sidestep these high tariffs? In the short term, the US has two options: pay the tariff or find a workaround, and I don't think customers are ready to pay an extra 60% on their purchases. It's tough to say what will get implemented. Trump isn't exactly known for being predictable. We'll have to wait and see, but one thing seems to be clear: the old school AliExpress dropshipping model is likely over. But does that mean that we are going to close down our stores and change our occupation? No, we're just gonna adapt. Anyway, AliExpress dropshipping is kind of shady and not sustainable. If you're still using AliExpress or similar suppliers, you are likely dealing with a lot of shipping times and unpredictable product quality or packaging, aspects that are hurting customer experience and in the end your profits. So what's the solution? It's simpler than you think. You just need to partner up with suppliers that have warehouses in the US or Europe or other countries not hit by the tariffs. This way you might avoid unwanted tariffs, plus it can help you simplify your logistics. One such supplier is Ship to the Moon. Working with a company that is on top of regulations, has its own logistic network and warehouses, can simplify your life and improve your customer experience. Not only they keep you on notice about regulatory changes, but it's in their own interest to keep service going, acting like a buffer between China manufacturers and your customers. I don't want to hide it, they did reach out to me, but I think they got a solid point here. If you plan to keep on dropshipping, working with a buffer company whose main goal is keeping your business running seems like the way to go. Set aside the legal part, they can also help you turn your dropshipping store into a real brand. You'll offer faster, reliable shipping, custom packaging with your logo, thank you cards, basically the things customers would expect from a brand. So how can Ship to the Moon help you succeed in 2025? Let me show you. They're a full-service dropshipping platform. Once you connect your Shopify store to the platform, it's simple. You post your product requests, and when orders come in, they handle the rest: fast shipping, quality control, and fulfillment. They even have a price match guarantee. If you find the products cheaper somewhere else, like on AliExpress, you can show them the price and they'll try to match it or even beat it. They offer stable logistics. Shipping times are pretty fast, 5 to 10 days to the US. This can really help speed up your delivery and keep your customers happy, which means more sales. And if you want to brand your products and make them your own, they can help there too. Once you start getting regular orders, you can add your logo, thank you cards, custom packaging, and more. This really improves customer experience. There's no comparison to how packages arrive when you order them from AliExpress. Think about it, would you rather your customer receive their product in an ugly packaging covered with Chinese writing, or a neatly branded box with your logo and a personal touch? In order to get your Ship to the Moon account, you'll come to the website, which is this one, shiptothemoon.com. You will click here on sign in, and because you don't have an account, you're gonna click here on sign up here. And you're gonna fill up this form. After adding your email account, you're gonna click on get verification code, and you're gonna get a verification code on your email. Add your WhatsApp number, the phone number that you have attached to your WhatsApp account, or your Skype ID. Then you're gonna enter your password, and now with your details added, you're gonna just click on sign up. On this page, you're gonna select your shop. So if you're using WooCommerce or other type of software for your shop, you're gonna click either one of these, but because I'm using Shopify, I'm gonna click on the Shopify icon, and I'm gonna add the handle of my store. And you can find the handle for your store by going into your admin, and you're gonna have this format where you have admin shopify.com/store, and then this is the handle of your store. You can find the handle of your store by going to settings as well. So if you go to settings and then to domains, you're going to see that you have your handle here, then a .myshopify.com. So for me is build minus my stores, same like this one over here. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into this field right here. And I'm going to click on next. I'm going to be prompt to install the app on my store. So this is actually what's happening here. The Ship to the Moon app is getting installed on my store. I'm going to click install and we are brought back to this screen and I'm going to click on next. And here it is. This is the Ship to the Moon dashboard. Now, if I go back to my store, I'm going to see that inside my apps, the installed apps that I have, the Ship to the Moon app is installed right here. So let's go back to the Ship to the Moon's dashboard and I'm going to show you how things work. So let's just go one by one to all of these options and I'm going to tell you what each of them do. So first we have products, and under here we're going to be able to find products that are already in the Ship to the Moon catalog, products that you can import to your store immediately and start selling. And you're going to have the public catalog right here. You will be able to search inside this catalog and maybe find some products that you are interested in selling. They have lots of interesting products in here. I'm sure that you will find things that will fit to your store and you will be able to right away import them and just start selling. In here, you also have the packaging option where you can add your custom logo. You can add your cards to include in the packaging. Then you have my product packaging. This is the packaging for the product, and this is the shipping packaging. Then I have the option to import products from my own store, and I'm going to import products now. So I'm going to look inside my store, confirm, and I'm going to import the products that I already have on my store so that I can place sourcing requests to Ship to the Moon so that they can look into the products that I already sell and maybe find cheaper suppliers for my products. After a couple of moments, I have my products that I was already selling with my store, and I can now ask Ship to the Moon for a better quote for this product. These products were imported with DSers and I have the pricing from DSers, but I'm pretty sure that Ship to the Moon will have a better quote for me. So I'm just gonna select the products that I want, like this vintage retro cam, which was quite popular. So I'm gonna ask for a new quote for this product. I'm gonna click on that option. After clicking on ask quote, the quote will be sent to the Ship to the Moon's theme. And if you view the details page, you're going to get here all the details. I can see now that this request is pending. So I'm going to have to wait for a while until the price will be populated here. But this is the way you're going to ask for quotes for different products that you already sell so that you can get a better pricing. Then if you don't have the product that you want to sell on your store already, you will be able to place sourcing requests under the sourcing tab. If you click there, you're going to have here these forms where you can add product links from AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, or whatever you have your product idea from. And you can submit the idea to the Ship to the Moon theme so that they can take a look and find a good source for that particular product. The first form is for when you already have a link for a product. So you're going to place your link in here and then you're going to select the country you want to sell your products to. And then you can submit the quotation request. And if you don't have a link already, so you have an idea of what product you want to sell, you maybe saw it somewhere, you took a screenshot, you can just upload the image that you have here on this side and then add the information that you have, like the name of the product, if you have a URL, if you have other notes about it, and then you can send this information to the Ship to the Moon sourcing team, and they will try to locate the product you are searching for and give you a quotation for that. Then under orders, you're going to be able to fulfill the orders that you're going to get. You can either batch pay or you can pay one by one. One thing you have to keep in mind while using Ship to the Moon is the finance options. So you will be able to top up your wallet. You're going to see all your money here and you can then use this money to fulfill orders. And you can top up your wallet by bank transfer, Payoneer, Stripe, or PayPal. You have all the information you need underneath here. You can then transfer your money inside the Ship to the Moon wallet, and then you can use it to fulfill orders. Under store, you're going to see the integration you have. This is my Shopify store. You're going to see yours here. Maybe you're using something else. You're going to see that here. Then you're going to have your support tickets if you have any. Ship to the Moon has great customer support that is eager to help you if you have any questions or you need anything. Then you have the affiliate program they have, where if you refer other friends of yours that are dropshipping and they start using the platform, you get some commissions. Then we have shipping settings, and in here you're gonna be able to set up the shipping methods that you want for your store. Again, Ship to the Moon has a lot of great options. Their network is good and they have pretty good shipping times. So if you want to bring a staff member that can operate your Ship to the Moon account, you can just add them here and they will be able to do the operations for you. Under the accounts, you're going to be able to manage your theme. So if you have different people there, you can give them different roles and so on. And this is the dashboard. This is quite self-explanatory. But what's more important is the team behind this dashboard. And if you want to keep on dropshipping, this is a great way of doing it. And that's it. You've now set up Ship to the Moon and can start sourcing, fulfilling, and tracking orders for your dropshipping store. This way, you'll have a buffer company between you and the Chinese manufacturers that will make sure that the products arrive in time and in good shape to your customers. They also assured me that they are keeping up with all the regulatory changes and will take the right steps to minimize any impact in case import rules change. If you want to give it a try, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you're here, don't just watch, be a part of the crew, hit the subscribe button. And now that you know how to source your products, here's how to optimize your product page for conversions. Click the video here.